ddes ti gyda ti? Now we are going to practice asking what the children have brought with them to school and how they got there. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Say after me. Beth ddes ti gyda ti? What did you bring with you? Da iawn. Unwaith eto. Once again. Beth ddes ti gyda ti? Dod a means to bring in English. So, in the past tense, we would answer Des I a thegan gyda fi. I brought a toy with me. Des I a chot gyda fi. I brought a coat with me. Des I a phapur gyda fi. I brought paper with me. The a causes a treiglad llais, an aspirate mutation. You have seen this mutation before when learning the negative sentence pattern ches I ddim. It affects words beginning with t, k, and p. Let's look at these sentences again. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Des I a thegan gyda fi. Des I a chot gyda fi. Des I a phapur gyda fi. Bendigedig. Let's practice asking more questions. Ailadroddwch. Ddes ti a bwyd gyda ti? Did you bring food with you? Ddes ti a chot law gyda ti? Did you bring a raincoat with you? Ddes ti a thegan gyda ti? Did you bring a toy with you? Did you notice there is a treiglad meddal, soft mutation, at the beginning of the question form? Ddes ti a bwyd gyda ti? Da iawn. As you know, the answer to these questions will always be do or naddo. Ddes ti a bwyd gyda ti? Do. Des I a bwyd gyda fi. However, there is also a treiglad meddal, soft mutation, at the beginning of a negative sentence. Ddes ti a chot law gyda ti? Naddo. Ddes I ddim a chot law gyda fi. Nawr, dysgwch. Now, let's learn sut daethoch chi. How did you come? Plural. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Sut daethoch chi heddiw? How did you come today? And the answers? Des I mewn car. I came in a car. Des I gyda mam. I came with mam. Des I ar y bws. I came on the bus. To ask, did you, plural, come in the car? We say, ddaethoch chi mewn car? Ddaethoch chi mewn car? Again, we see there is a treiglad meddal, soft mutation, at the beginning of the question. Ddaethoch chi mewn car? If we want to answer the question in the affirmative using we came, then we say, do, daethon ni mewn car. Ond, but, dych chi'n cofio, do you remember? There is a treiglad meddal at the beginning of a negative sentence. Ddaethoch chi mewn car? Naddo. Ddaethon ni ddim mewn car. Da iawn. There was a lot to learn in this video. Dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo eto I adolygu. You can watch the video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc!